Set up a photo booth, an easy guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fun and interactive English language lesson. We'll explore the meaning, usage, and context of the phrase, set up a photo booth. Whether you're at a party, a wedding, or any social gathering, understanding this phrase will add an exciting element to your English vocabulary. So, let's get started. The phrase, set up a photo booth, involves two key components: set up and photo booth. To set up means to assemble, arrange, or prepare something for use. A photo booth, on the other hand, is a small area or setup where people can take photos, typically equipped with a camera, backdrop, and props. Combining these terms, set up a photo booth means creating or arranging a space where guests can take pictures, usually for entertainment purposes at events. Photo booths are incredibly popular at events because they offer a fun way for guests to capture memories. They can be customized with various themes and props, making the photo-taking experience unique and enjoyable. Setting up a photo booth also encourages guest interaction, serves as an icebreaker, and creates lasting memories of the occasion. 1. Choose a location. Select a spot that is easily accessible yet doesn't interrupt the flow of the event. 2. Gather equipment. This includes a camera, a backdrop, lighting, and any necessary stands or tables. 3. Select props and decorations. Props can range from silly hats to themed accessories that match the event. 4. Set up the equipment. Assemble your backdrop, set up the lighting, and ensure the camera is correctly positioned. 5. Test everything. Before the event starts, take a few test shots to ensure everything is working as it should. Make it accessible. Ensure that everyone knows where the photo booth is and how to use it. Encourage participation. Sometimes guests may be shy, so encourage them to use the photo booth and have fun. Keep it organized. Have someone oversee the photo booth to help with props, manage cues, and assist with the camera if needed. Setting up a photo booth is a fantastic way to add an element of fun and creativity to any event. It not only provides entertainment but also helps capture memories in a unique and interactive way. We hope this guide helps you understand the phrase, set up a photo booth, and inspires you to try it out at your next event. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!